Sylvan, what are you doing?
Hi! Get out!
You're jumping on Landon's bed?
Get on my bed! Oh, man, what's the camera doing in here?
Sylvan, you gotta get off the bed, buddy. Sylvan, get off the bed. Jump to Daddy.
Daddy.
Oh my gosh, you're a monkey. Boys, your room's a mess.
Sylvan, give me your money.
Okay.
Give me your money. Okay, I'll put it up here.
Look at my puppy.
Okay, it's up top.
Yes.
Sweater. Oh my gosh, child, you're a monkey. You little tiny tater tot. Look at you. That's how he steals all Landon's gum. And he gets... He's still...
Are you okay?
What are you doing?
Ready?
What are you doing?
I'm ready.
Jumping on me.
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay, Rowan?
Daddy, Mom. Daddy. 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 Dad.
Yeah, we're ready.
Careful.
Get her. Oh.
Ouch. Okay.
It doesn't hurt? You're
Yeah.
tough, girl.
Daddy. Daddy. Yep.
She moved. You wrestling your sister? What happened?
Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy.
Yeah, we're ready.
Hey, someone step on me. Daddy.
Go, dive. Get her.
That's
Get her.
Oh, she's gonna get you. Oh.
Come on.
Okay, it's my turn.
No.
Yeah.
Get him, Rowan.
Okay.
Get you.
Oh.
No.
Holy moly.
Fine.
Yay.
Oh gosh.
My turn.
All right.
Picture.
Ah.
I'm gonna fall
Okay, ready?
over.
Hold on, Gab. Hold on. Ready? Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
My turn.
No.
Oh,
Okay, Gavin.
no.
You ready?